Hello guys, welcome. Sorry, there is some little bit of light issues. However, today in this video we are going to talk about one of the newly launched, or I can say found repo, that is free LLM API. So what this repo does here is, you know, if you are working on some AI projects and you have collected different API from different AI vendors for free, like Claude, OpenAI, or from Groq or from Google. Suppose if you have all those APIs with you and you want to use it, and every time if you're working on a project, every time you have to change those API here and there, if it's all the tokens has been used. So what this free LLM API application do is it will collect all the APIs from you, and it will give you a unified API which you can use on your application, and it will automatically choose the best model and use the tokens out of it. So if you are vibe coding a project or something, it will be working for a month of offer free. So now we will go ahead, install it on our Visual Studio, and we'll see how it works and how it runs. And later on, if you have some other questions or anything you want to ask, or any tutorial you want, specific tutorial about AI agents, how we can make a RAG system using this API code, or how should I get free API from different vendors or something, let me know. I will put a video on that as well. Okay, guys, so we will start now. It is as simple as it could be. As you can see my screen, I have opened the Visual Studio now. So we will just head over to the same GitHub repository. This is the GitHub repository. You just need to copy this thing. Copy this command, paste it on your terminal. Like I have pasted it here. Okay. So once I have pasted it here, uh, it will automatically run. Of course, there are some prerequisite, that is, you should have your Python installed, you should have your Node.js installed. Both are completely free. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to install both of them. But if you are already working on some other projects, those are the most required things for any project. Okay, so that is done. It will start running, and once you click on the link, it will come up on a browser. So here it is on my browser. Now what I need to do, suppose if I will type anything now, it would not work because there is no API key added or something. So first you will go to the keys section and you will add a key. I am going to add Mixtral key now, one. I will quickly show you also how to get the API key from Mixtral. Add uncheck. So we'll just click on check. So it will just check if it is active or not. Now we will go on playground and we'll type again hi. I should have like one or two tokens like that. See, it's working. Now you can paste more keys here. I do have a key of Siri brush as well. It's like they give for free. There should be this Siri brush key and test. Just name it. Okay, does not matter anything. Once you have named it, checked, it's working, and hi. Use Silvers. It won't use it like that, but you know, just to tell you how the number of tokens and stuff will be used in that way. So it's now the word that I have typed is like taking some time, of course, because it's free API key, so it do take time. Uh, till the time it is loading. Okay, it's loaded. See, it's gave you something. You can also ask him to write a code. Write me a code for simple calculator. It will give you a simple code, most probably, I guess. in Python or HTML, CSS. So yeah, it's given in Python. So that's how you can use. So that's how you can use it on web directly. Suppose if you want to use it on your project, this is your unified key. Now you can paste much more API providers here, as you saw in the link. Where is that GitHub link? So as you can see, they have shown here all the supported one. You can use Queen, you can use Llama, you can use Hermes. Hermes is something new. You should try. It's one of the good model. Recently, it's budgeted model as well with good quality and like that. So you can use it in that way, of course. And you can now I will show you how can you use on your project. Let's go back to our Visual Studio now. So I will quickly write a simple code here and I have pasted it here. Okay. So this is the place where you need to paste your API key. So let's copy it from the from the app that was running. I will quickly copy it. Even though you can see the API key, of course, you do not need to share your API key. You need to keep your API key always private. That's important. I am showing it to you here, but I will regenerate and so it will be changed as well. Remove this extra line, double quotes over, and so now what this one is saying is it's going importing OpenAI library. This is the most basic command to use o- Ap- OpenAI API, where I am using my API key. I am using their chat completion model, and this is a simple variable response, and I'm just printing the message.content. This is the thing you can change this. This is the word. This is the thing that we type in chat, but we are typing it here. So let's run. Hopefully it will run fine. I don't know if I have OpenAI installed already, else we will install it quickly. Python debug, Python file, run and debug. Okay, let's see. It is running. Something is wrong with our API key or what? API key connection error. Let's try to run it again. CD free LLM API. What is the test? What test.py is up. So we need to go back. Now Python test dot py. No, it is inside. It is inside free LLM. So we need to go inside again. Now we will try to run the file again. Python file. Let's see what it will show this time. Ah, yeah, this is something not expected, I guess. Let's quickly check. what is the issue. I will quickly pause the video and I will come back to you guys. Okay. I don't want. So yeah, I was telling I don't want you guys to wait. Of course, that was a very silly small mistake. There was a one white space. That's why the code was not running. So let's try it again now. Simple Python test.py, and it should run perfectly fine this time. As you saw, again, the issue was still there. So the issue was even though I removed the white space, I did not save the file. So that is one thing you always need to remember. Whenever you editing your code on Visual Code, Visual Studio, Visual Code, you need to save your file and run again, and then it will work fine. So this is how it working. So see, it ran and gave me the output even though I am using unified API. Now we can use this same API for multiple AI projects, multiple AI agents projects, and likewise, we can get our free. You can use this API key also on live projects as well, but of course, the it should be running locally somewhere at least so that you can use the API key. Um, that's it for today, guys. Let me know if you want to explore more videos about AI system. Maybe I will soon put a video about RAG. Maybe I'll use this same API and we will explore how we can use RAG system, how we can deploy it, and how we can use multiple agent systems and all that. Let me know what is the next video you are looking for, and for sure, me and my team will work on that. Thank you.